In today's video, I'm going to be opening up these gifts, which I got in the YouTube Teacher Valentine's Exchange. So today's a really happy day for me because I got these gifts posted to me all the way from the USA. I'm pretty excited to open them. I don't even know why I ended up with 2 Valentine's gifts. I feel very humbled and very special, so thank you. I actually want to say thank you before I open these to Ruth from Diary of a Mad Black Teacher. If you know Ruth, you know that Miss Ruth tells the truth, and her videos are awesome. They're really funny, really honest, really down to earth. I'd encourage you to go and subscribe to her. I will put a link to her channel underneath this video so that you can go and subscribe to her. She did a really wonderful thing for, I think it was 20 of us YouTube teachers, and she hooked us all up together and created this Valentine's Day exchange, which is a really, really special thing to do, bringing us joy and love and appreciation. For me, from the other side of the world, I think I'm the only Australian who participated in this. So thank you to these people, because I know that you would have had to have spent extra money on postage and shipping, and I just really appreciate it. I want to take you back to when I got these. I'm just going to insert some little clips of when I got these gifts. So I'm just quickly going to show you how excited I was. Went to the post office. It's here. Thank you so much. I just went to the post office and I got another parcel. Okay, so this box, how pretty is this box? So I'm just going to open it. Oh my goodness. Look how they've wrapped it. Oh. It's got little messages. Oh, it's too pretty. It's too pretty. Oh, look at how much effort and thought they've put into. Oh, I don't even know where to start. Okay. It says open this last. Okay. Oh, and they've put some bubble wrap, of course, to keep everything safe. And look. Oh, you guys, I feel a bit overcome with all this. Like someone's put all this together. This one says, to brighten your day and complement your beautiful smile. And look, they've even put love heart sticker there to hold it all together. And the paper's all got love hearts. It's tissue paper. It's so pretty. Truly. Look. Oh, I think it's a scarf. Yes. It's a scarf. How nice. Oh. What have I done? Oh, it's like an infinity scarf. Yes, it says infinity scarf. Something in here smells beautiful. It could be that soap that I just saw, but it smells just gorgeous. So here's the infinity scarf. How nice is that? Thank you. You guys, I know who it's from. So it just makes it extra special to know who it's from, because Ruth was really concerned that I hadn't received my gifts yet, and I kind of accidentally figured out who it was from, this one, or both of them actually. But anyway, I'm just going to pretend I don't know who it's from, but knowing who it's from makes it even more, special. This one says, because you are a joy to have in my life. Oh, that's so nice. And 2 little love heart stickers to hold it all together. I don't want to rip it because this tissue paper is so nice. I've just realized this scarf might be blocking my microphone. What have they done? Oh, look. Ink Joy pens. Papermate, Ink Joy, Spread Joy. Finally a gel pen that spreads joy. I've seen these on YouTube. I don't even know if we can get these in Australia. Can we? Any Australians, can you tell me? Can we get these? I don't even know. But I know that I've seen them. I think Jeremy got these. Did you get these, Jeremy? I'm pretty sure from memory you got these. But look at those colours. Oh, they're gorgeous. Thank you. Love them. Thank you. I'm going to make like a little flat lay thing, and I'm going to keep these messages. These messages are so nice. Have you ever done those love languages? One of mine is words of affirmation and quality time. So this is speaking to me. You know what? I'm just going to take this scarf off because it's a little bit hot. Still summertime here. So it's just a little bit warm for right now. So I'm just going to put that there. Okay. This one says, I can't believe all these packages, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little packages inside this beautiful box. But it says to help hold things together. What helps hold things together? This one's got a little bow sticky tape. I'm going to open it from the bottom because it's kind of easier. Oh, it's a peg. Oh, live, love, teach. It's a peg, a giant peg. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh, I can hold all my marking and stuff together. Oh, hang on. Peg. I think you guys call it a pin, clothes pin. We call them pegs here. That is great. Love it. Thank you. That's awesome. I'm just going to put that there. I'm definitely keeping these messages. They just warm the cockles of my heart. This one says for your love of Christmas and dogs. Yes, I love both those things. The stickers, little kissy sticker, little lips. Oh, this is so awesome. What have they done? Oh, something dropped. Excuse me. Oh, this is a little puppy. Oh, it's just come off. It's okay. I think I can fix that. It's just come off. These are the cutest things. I don't know if you can see. 2 little earrings, little Christmas puppies. Oh, so sweet. Oops. They are so sweet. Okay. To bring you peace on a stressful day. Yep, all teachers need that. And look, look at how they've wrapped everything. Oh, this is soap. Is it soap? Hang on. No, it's a bath fizzer. I think these were together and coming across the Pacific Ocean, they've sort of come apart a little bit. But look at that. This is what the smelly things were. Look, 2 love heart bath fizzers. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, thank you so much. And that's the box empty. So now I'm allowed to open the card here. It says open me last. I'm a teacher. I'm very good at following instructions. Oh, look, the card's even got love hearts. This is awesome. Oh. It's from Jennifer from Glitter and Jams, which I actually knew. It says, you've been such a beautiful light in my life, and I'm so very glad I met you through YouTube. I consider you to be a dear friend and truly enjoy the conversations we've had. You inspire me to keep plugging alone as a teacher, wife and mum. Thank you for sharing your beautiful soul with all of us. Thank you, Jennifer. Hey, right back at ya. Yes, that is beautiful. I feel very a bit undeserving and very overwhelmed with this. She's amazing. Her channel's called Glitter and Jams, and she's just the most beautiful, warmest, most loving person. She's got a 1st grade class, so year 1 we call it here, and she does weekly vlogs, and she does she lets us into so much of her life, and she also does a weekend wrap up thing which she publishes on the Wednesday. And she does all sorts of videos. You would love her videos. Go and subscribe. Thank you, Jennifer. This one here, am I holding it the right way up? This one here is my second one. Who gets to have 2 Valentine's presents? I don't know. I feel very blessed. Okay, so this one here, I've covered up everything so you can't, but they've gone to the effort. I'll just give you a sneak peek here. I've covered up their address and stuff. But look, they've put like this washi tape stuff, this beautiful pink washi tape around, and then written on the other side. I just love teachers. Don't you love teachers? They're the best people. Oh, got it. Oh, something dropped. Oh, stickers. Look. They're cute. Running out of space on my table, everybody. All these presents. Oh, badges. Look at that. BFF, I heart you. XOXO and girl power. Love these. These are awesome. I want to put them on now. Okay, so I just stopped filming for a while, but here are the badges. How cute are they? And what else have I got? Oh, look at that. Lips. They're sticky notes. They're post-it notes. How cool. Where did you even find these? That is awesome. Oh my goodness. Look what he's done. This is awesome. This is Jeremy Michelbook from First Grade Cafe. Look what he's done. This looks like a photo frame that he's put his channel thing in. That is, I love it. I love this. I love everything. Thank you. Oh, hang on. There's more. There's more. I'm going to put this here. There's more. Oh, wow. There's more. I feel undeserving. Oh, wow. Look, these are stickers. These are teacher stickers. They are beautiful. Look at this. Can you see? It's got a teacher's desk, a stack of books on a stool, a bell. Oh, they're beautiful. Blackboard and chalk. They are gorgeous. I've never seen anything like this before. I don't think we have this here. Thank you, Jeremy. Thank you so much. Jeremy Michelbook, you have to go and subscribe to his channel. His channel is actually now called his name, Jeremy Michelbook, and I'll put a link to his channel. And he also teaches grade 1, year 1, first grade. I don't know what state you're in, Jeremy. I'm really sorry. I should have paid attention to your address here. And now I've blacked it out so I can't tell. Hang on, what's... There's more? Oh, another little badge. Look at that. Oh, you can't see. Can you see it there? It says, I make a difference, I teach. That is beautiful. I'm going to put this one on as well. Jeremy, Jennifer, thank you so much. I consider you both to be friends. I absolutely love your vlogs. I watch as many of them as I can as time and busyness permits. And I know you do the same for me. I much appreciate it. Everyone who took part in this wonderful Valentine's Day YouTube teacher exchange. It was so great watching all of your videos. It was so good to see the joy that this brought. Ruth, you've done a wonderful thing. I know that she's got something else planned coming up for us to take part in. Thank you, Ruth, for all that you do. I love your videos. They have me laughing. I really get your sense of humor, and I really appreciate what you've done for us. Thank you, Ruth. And what I will try to do is I'll try to put the other videos, as many as I can, under this video as well, so you can catch up on those. Now, I sent something as well to somebody who I won't say who it is, but unfortunately, because I'm on the other side of the world, and even though I sent it a week and a half before Valentine's Day, it didn't arrive in time. I don't even know if that person has received it yet. So I really, really hope that you get it and that it's intact. I hope that it's survived its Pacific Ocean journey, and I hope that you like it. As soon as they get it and as soon as they make the video, I will be putting that video in here. So you can see what I bought my Valentine as well. I loved what Ruth said in her video. She said, it's Valentine's all the time, and I really like that. Let's show love, bring joy, and be a blessing to others all the time. Isn't that a great thing to do for others? Thanks, you guys. I love, love, love everything. I'm going to now do a flat lay so I can put it on Instagram and show off. See you next time. Everyone, in this video, I'm going to be opening my Valentine's YouTube teacher Valentine's exchange.